Welcome to Botsurfer. Conversation scenarios are the main structure users will follow after the start of the conversation. You should build sequences in your chatbot by using the elements which you can find in the blue bar. With the purpose of your chatbot in mind, drag and drop each element. Elements usually have buttons for user interaction. Each button must have a function. Buttons are often connected to the next sequence in the chatbot structure. You can personalize text elements by adding the first, last and full name. Or you can personalize just some parts of the text according to the user's gender. When you drag and drop some element into the blank space, you are creating a sequence with that element. Each sequence represents one chatbot message bubble in the conversation with the user. If you want to use more elements in one sequence, just drag and drop another element to the existing sequence. You could use the quick reply feature if you don't want to use permanent buttons in some sequences. These replies don't have more functions to choose from. They're here just to trigger another sequence in the structure after the user clicks on them. Feel free to test your structure while building the chatbot. Just click on the button View in Messenger and see if the conversation is smooth and logical from the user's viewpoint.